Need cash urgently? Whether it's for school fees, an emergency, or a quick boost for your side hustle, Zenka gives you instant loans directly to your M-Pesa. No CRB check, no collateral, just fast, easy money, anytime you need it. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for your first Zenka loan in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the Zenka app from the Google Play Store, or just use the direct link in the description to save time. Once installed, open the app and enter your Safaricom number. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Type it in to continue. Next, fill in your personal details. Enter your full name, your national ID number, and then create a 4-digit PIN. Make sure you remember this PIN. It's what you'll use to access your loan and manage your account. Now you're in. Zenka will immediately show you your loan offer. For first-time users, it's usually between 500 and 2,000 shillings. Select your preferred amount. Review the interest, fees, and repayment period, then hit Apply. That's it. In seconds, the money lands directly in your M-Pesa. To repay the loan, go to Lipa na M-Pesa, select Paybill, and enter 979988 as the paybill number. For the account number, use your Safaricom number. Enter the repayment amount, confirm, and you're done. Want access to higher loan limits next time? Here's what to do. 1. Always repay your loans early. 2. Borrow the full amount offered whenever possible. 3. Use your Safaricom line regularly for calls, data, and transactions. 4. Avoid borrowing from multiple apps at once. These simple habits help you unlock larger Zenka loans in the future. Ready to try it? Click the link in the description below to apply now. It's fast, it's safe, it's government approved. If this video helped you, tap like and subscribe. We post smart money tips every week, covering mobile loans, side hustles, and financial hacks tailored for Kenyans like you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.